Hi guys, I have here the Holystone HS100G drone. This is the one that comes with the Wi-Fi camera. So I just took it out of the box, and I just want you to remember when you do take it out, when you take everything out of the packaging at the back, your propellers are stored here. So I just opened the box and we have the drone. We have our propeller guards, we have our instruction manual, our transmitter, some landing gear, a little storage bag, our battery, charging cord, some screwdrivers and screws, and this nice little thank you notebook. Just a little thank you gift. Came with some stickies. And that's about it. So I'm going to put this to charge and give it a test, and I will let you know how this all goes. Hi guys, so I just tested out this Holystone drone. So when you do start it off, you have to pair your drone to your transmitter, which is very simple. You see right now it's flashing red, that means it's not paired. So once you turn your transmitter on and you just go up and down, and you see the lights change to white and blue. So that means it is paired and it is ready to go. So on the transmitter you can see it has the takeoff and land function, it has the return to home function, it has here a follow me function, and a GPS function. This here is your speed. You can increase it or decrease it as you like. And over here we have, if you're taking if you're using the camera mode, you can record or take a picture. You can adjust the camera, and right here there's just a little spot where you can attach your phone. I have a Galaxy S5 active, and it has a pretty bulky case on it, and it was able to fit in here. This does expand a little. It's a little hard to do with one hand because I'm holding the phone with the other hand to record this, but this does expand, and you can angle it or make it straight. And another feature of this drone, from the app, you can actually fly it from the app. You don't even need to use the transmitter. So I love that. I was able to fly it. I was able to record everything right from my app, right from holding my phone. I could see where I was going. It was just so simple. So when you do set up your drone, you have to download a Wi-Fi network. Well, first you download the app. It's on Google and the App Store. And you would download the Holystone app, and then you have to go into your Wi-Fi settings and change the Wi-Fi over to a Holystone Wi-Fi. And then once you have that connected, you can turn on, open up your app, and you're ready to go. As soon as you open it, you will see a little screen. You click select device, and once you're in, you'll see the camera function is already started. And you can go from there. So I do want to try this out one day at the park. There's the follow me option, which I told you about. It should be able to record and follow you while you're walking around. I just prefer to do it at a park and not around my home because I have a lot of trees around and I don't want to crash the drone. In terms of the drone, it is very easy to fly. I do have an 8-year-old son, and he's had trouble with a few others, but they were in the cheaper price range. This one does not look like it's going to be much trouble at all. It's very easy to take off, very easy to maneuver. It does come with extra propellers, extra landing gear, propeller guards, extra screws. So if you do happen to crash it and you need extra parts, you do not need to contact the company. Everything is already included. Should you need to charge it, here's your battery pack here. We installed it right here. You could just pull that out. You would charge it right here. And this is your power button that tells us how much battery's left. Your transmitter, it plugs in right here to charge. But overall, I do like this drone. I have no complaints, and I hope you go out and get it. It's definitely worth the price. It's just very well built. It has a very nice sleek design. I love the color. It's like a matte black. And I'm looking forward to playing with it. I'm sure my son is as well. All right, have a nice day. Bye, guys.